last time 70, and this was 97.99 overall this time. First change
Yeah.
that I did was join Elites Grid. The only massive change I got was join Elites Grid and follow what Honey sir is doing. That's it. LRDI, there is only one solution to LRDI: constant practice. I come from a design background and I was never really good in maths. I never did anything on my own. Actually, sir is spoon feeding everything to us. He's analyzing the questions. He's telling us this question mustn't be missed. This question should be attempted. My first interview was actually IIM Ahmedabad, the first ever interview. So I made a lot of mistakes there, and that was the biggest learning lesson for me. And I learned from my own interview what I have to do correctly in the next. Best coaching ever. मुझे अपने ऊपर भरोसा नहीं था इतना. I never really trusted myself to get so much marks in CAT. Second time पे मैंने भी 600 सेट लगाए हुए थे LRDI के. So द नंबर स्पीक. आप अगर बहुत प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आपके मार्क्स आ जाएंगे.
First of all, a huge congratulations on securing your SPJ and Convert.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Share a little bit about your journey so far, your background, school, college, and what were you doing before CAT? Basically, your profile.
Okay. So, ma'am, I was born and brought up in Kanpur and I've completed my schooling from there itself. And after completing my school, I went to NIFT Mumbai. मैं हमेशा से बहुत ही creative थी, तो I went to join design school only. And there I pursued my fashion designing, bachelor's of design. उसके बाद I was interning at multiple places और उस time मुझे realize हुआ that to grow as an individual, to grow in a formal corporate capacity, I need to have an MBA so that I can, of course, grow and earn better. So, uske liye I decided to prepare for CAT, and I only had done internships. I had no work ex, formal work ex, and 2 years I gave to CAT only, 2023 and 2024. 2023 में मेरा इतना अच्छा percentile I couldn't get it, so 24 was my second attempt, and I got 97.99, and I joined Elites Grid in 2024 itself. January 2024.
From which colleges did you receive calls, and which are the ones that you have successfully converted so far?
Okay, so I got call from IIM Ahmedabad, SPJIMR, all the baby and CAP calls of IIMs, and IFT, MDI, TIS, and XIMB, and all the other colleges. And I converted most of them. Babies and CAPs I converted, and I could not convert IIM Ahmedabad. I converted SPJMR as well, and I did not appear for the interviews of MDITs because तब तक SPJN का result was there, so I thought that this is the best call, तो यहीं चलते हैं.
Okay, so since you mentioned that this was your second attempt, right? So
Yeah.
can you please repeat your percentile, and can you please tell me your percentile previous year versus this year?
My previous year percentile was around 70, so it was very low. So 2023 algebra was very heavy in the quant section. I completely ruined my attempt. I had left the paper in between. I said I can't do it anymore. I got a panic attack midway of the paper, and I decided that I have ruined my attempt. Yeah.
Okay, so this year, how much percentile did you get?
In quants, I got 96.89. And last year, sorry, in 2023, I got, I think, 2 percentile in LRDI, approximately 2. And this time I got 94.56. So
And overall percentile?
overall, last time 70, and this was 97.99 overall this time.
Okay.
Mhm.
So can you tell me what specific changes did you make in your preparation that
Yeah.
helped you to improve your score? Because it's a massive difference,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. The first change
Yeah.
that I did was join Elites Grid. The only massive change I got was join Elites Grid and follow what Honey sir is doing. That's it. That was the only change I made. Yeah.
So how did you come to know about LXGrid? Did someone suggest you or recommend you, or you did your own kind of research and found out about LXGrid? What's the story?
Yeah, actually, a friend of mine, a very close friend, I told him that I ruined my 2023 attempt and my year has wasted and everything has, crumbled down. All my dreams and aspirations are gone. So he recommended that relax and join this coaching. And I have found them on YouTube and I saw their videos and they teach very well. So it was because of Dave that I joined Elites Grid and I'm here today. That's why.
Which batch did you join, and when did your classes begin in LXGrid?
I don't remember exactly, but I think Lakshya batch. I don't remember the name. Yeah, but I think I
Okay, the
joined
month.
after March, I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Before that, I was following Elite Grid on YouTube only. I used to see the videos, whatever was happening. And once I gained the confidence that yes, this is the best coaching available, I decided to join Elite Grid in March. Yeah.
So every student faces their share of ups and downs throughout the CAT preparation
Yeah.
journey, especially
Yeah.
when things aren't progressing as expected.
Yeah.
Especially this happens when mock test phase starts, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Students feel demotivated. So
Correct.
what helped you to stay motivated during those challenging days?
Okay. To be honest, because everyone is going to see this video, I did not manage it pretty well myself. Whenever I used to score less, I would also cry. I would also get depressed that another year I might waste. There was a lot of pressure also because there was gap year and it might increase. So the only thing I did at the end is listen to Honey sir, and he used to say कि मॉक के नंबरों पे इतना ध्यान मत दो, उसको बस एक लर्निंग प्रोसेस की तरह लो, अटेम्प्ट करो, सीखो, जो भी मिस्टेक्स हैं उनको ध्यान दो। एंड हर मॉक के बाद सर एनालिसिस कराते ही थे, जिसमें सर एक एक क्वेश्चन को वो करते हैं, एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, बताते हैं कि ये क्वेश्चन नहीं मिस करना चाहिए था, ये करना चाहिए था। जस्ट उस पे फोकस करिए, और जो भी कोई डिप आ रहा है किसी के भी मार्क्स में, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि डोंट वरी, रो लो, धो लो, फिर उसके 10 मिनट बाद उठ के बैठ के एनालिसिस कर लो एंड मूव अहेड, गिव योर नेक्स्ट मॉक।
So CAT में तीन sections होते हैं, Quant, VRC and DILR. Was there any section that you initially found tough than the other sections?
या एज आई मेंशन LRDI, मैंने लास्ट टाइम 2 नंबर आए थे मेरे, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा उसके लिए टेंशन में थी। बट देन LRDI, देर इज ओनली वन सोल्यूशन टू LRDI: constant practice. There are so many tests that are uploaded in Elite Grid. Give all the tests. There are so many PDF. Give all the PDF. Attempt all the class questions. That's it. Quant also was tough for me. In fact, all the three sections were tough for me. So, because I come from a design background and I was never really good in maths. So, these were very hectic for me. But the only solution is to complete all the practice questions that are given by the coaching. And for VARC, do read an article every day. And I personally was struggling in VARC mocks में marks मेरे कम होने लगे थे end में, and I used to pinch सर ऑल्सो के सर मार्क्स गिर रहे हैं, क्या होना है। सर कहते हैं कोई बात नहीं, आएंगे पेपर में नंबर। बट दी सोल्यूशन वाज, मैम जो क्लासेस ले रहे थे एंड में, जिसमें हर दिन एक टेस्ट होता था और हर दिन मैम उसको एनालाइज करके बताते थे, तो वो बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा। तो आप अगर एंड में टेस्ट देते हैं, उनको एनालाइज करते हैं, तो आपका फ्लो बन जाता है VARC में। आखिरी के 30 डेज में करेंगे तो बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट हो जाती है।
So when you started giving full length mocks, were
यस।
you score high or low initially?
It was average initially. There was a dip, then there was a rise, then there was again a dip, and before CAT there was sudden dip. So it was up and down. It was a roller coaster of numbers.
So can you walk us through your mock test analysis strategy?
Personally, what I did is I used to attend all the video sessions that used to happen after the mock test, and I never did anything on my own. Actually, sir is spoon feeding everything to us. He's analyzing the questions. He's telling us this question mustn't be missed. This question should be attempted. So just follow along with him and take a note of what you're doing wrong. If you're doing silly mistakes, then be mindful. Try to avoid silly mistakes the next time. So these are the small things that you have to work on yourself. Make an Excel sheet, note down the points where you have to work on, and then follow, sir. That's it.
How did you approach your revision in the last 30 to 45 days before CAT?
I was focusing on giving a lot of tests because my strategy was mock test focused. I used to give a lot of tests. I used to give short sectional tests. मैंने पहले बीच में कुछ टेस्ट नहीं दिए थे, तो एंड के दिनों में जो बचे थे टेस्ट ऐप पे, वो भी सारे मैंने दे दिए थे। मुझे प्रेशर था कि सब याद रहना चाहिए, तो मैं सब देती जा रही थी। यही मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी थी रिविजन की।
Did you appear for any other exam apart from CAT?
Yes, I did appear for SNAP.
What was your score or percentile in SNAP?
SNAP, I think it was around 96, I think. I do not remember correctly.
Okay, so CAT
Yeah.
and SNAP are a bit different. The strategy, the
Yeah.
exam pattern is a little bit different.
Yeah.
So how did you prepare for SNAP exam?
Snap, actually, I did not had my focus on Snap, so I wouldn't be the right person to recommend. But yeah, just if you're preparing for CAT very well, I think most people can ace Snap as well.
Coming back to the interview stage directly, then share how you prepared for your personal interview.
For my personal interview, we had the option available to get the interviews and mock interviews at Elite's Grid only. So I used to give mock interviews. I had given 2 interviews prior to my SPJMR interview. And my first interview was actually IIM Ahmedabad, the first ever interview. So I made a lot of mistakes there, and that was the biggest learning lesson for me. And I learned from my own interview what I have to do correctly in the next. And second was SPJIMR. So after learning from my mistakes, I came to SPJN, and all the mock interviews also were, backing me up. So उसके बाद फिर एसपी जैन के लिए आई हैड टॉक टू अ लॉट ऑफ सीनियर्स कि हाउ इज द इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस, व्हाट गोज अलोंग। और बिकॉज एसपी जैन के इंटरव्यूज काफी टाइम से चल रहे थे, तो जिनका हो गया था मैं उनसे भी बहुत मैसेज करके पूछती थी कि अच्छा क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, क्या रिव्यू रहता है। सो दैट इज हाउ आई वाज मेंटली एटलीस्ट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर एसपी जेएमआर इंटरव्यू।
You said that you did a lot of mistake in Ahmedabad interview, right?
या
So, can you just suggest the CAT aspirants who are going to watch your video that what changes they also should do in their um, preparation journey for the interview preparation journey, what they should focus on or how they should prepare? Like you improved your mistakes, right? So
या
that mistakes, if you could share that it could
या
relate. Yeah.
Yeah, one of the major mistakes that I made was being underconfident, probably because it was my first interview, and it was IIM Ahmedabad, so there was a lot of pressure. Okay, your best call, first interview. So when I entered the room, they started my interview with a maths question, and maths being class 12th maths question, and maths being my less of a forte, I panicked. And because the first question you panic, so the interview goes a bit, on the lower side than being the most positive experience for you. So I would suggest that do not lose confidence, stay as upright and as confident as possible, and हड़बड़ाइए नहीं, मतलब हड़बड़ा के आंसर मत करिए, क्योंकि वो क्या होता है, आप प्रेशर में आ जाते हैं और फिर आप गलत आंसर्स देने लगते हैं। आपको आता भी होता है फिर भी आप सोच नहीं पाते हैं। तो मेरा वही सजेशन रहेगा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कोई भी इंटरव्यू के लिए, कि अंदर जाते ही अगर पहला क्वेश्चन आपके तरीके का नहीं भी है तो कोई डरने की बात नहीं है। आप थोड़ा थोड़ा सा खराब कर दीजिए, फिर उसको ग्रैस्प करने की कोशिश करिए।
How did it feel when you finally received the SPJ and convert?
It was great. I really wanted to come to SP Jain and it was great. मैंने यहीं इसी कैंपस में ही इंटरव्यू दिया था अपना इन पर्सन, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था। और जैसे ही मुझे आया कि यहाँ का हो गया है, बस ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, बेस्ट फीलिंग।
What was the overall experience with Alex Gray?
बेस्ट कोचिंग एवर। मुझे अपने ऊपर भरोसा नहीं था इतना। आई नेवर रियली ट्रस्टेड माई सेल्फ टू गेट सो मच मार्क्स इन कैट एवर, बिकॉज पढ़ाई पे मैंने कभी भी इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया है। मैं हमेशा इतना पढ़ने वाले बच्चों में से नहीं रही हूँ, खेलने कूदने ड्राइंग करने वाले बच्चों में से रही हूँ। सो इट वॉज अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल जर्नी दैट एलीट्स ग्रिड डिड, एंड आई थिंक नहीं कर सकता कोई और जितना एलीट्स ग्रिड में होता है। एंड द वे दे आर स्पून फीडिंग, एज आई सेड, एवरीथिंग इज स्पून फेड। आपको बस फॉलो करना है जो एलिट्स ग्रिड कर रहा है, और आप कर लेंगे, लाइफ में सब अचीव कर लेंगे।
So, in your opinion, what is that one thing that student often overlook during their preparation? मतलब अगर कुछ सजेशन देना हो किसी स्टूडेंट को कि कौन सा मिस्टेक नहीं करना चाहिए या फिर कंसिस्टेंटली क्या करना चाहिए प्रिपरेशन जर्नी के दौरान कि उनका
हम्म।
अच्छा स्कोर आया, टॉप भी स्कूल से कॉल आए, तो क्या होगा आपका सजेशन?
आई थिंक प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हैं। आई थिंक मैंने भी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में अपने, जब मेरे नंबर कम थे तो मैंने इतनी प्रैक्टिस नहीं करी थी। सेकेंड टाइम पे मैंने भी 600 सेट लगाए हुए थे LRDI के। सो द नंबर स्पीक। आप अगर बहुत प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आपके मार्क्स आ जाएंगे। अगर आपकी प्रैक्टिस में कमी, अगर आप आर्टिकल्स नहीं रीड कर रहे, यू नॉट रीडिंग, यू नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग LRDS सेट्स, यू नॉट सॉल्विंग ऑल द शीट्स, सो ऑफ कोर्स नंबर नहीं आएंगे। और वो हम लोग अपने आप को कन्विंस करते हैं दैट वी आर स्टडीइंग, बट नहीं, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट एवरीथिंग। पूरा सिलेबस खत्म कर लीजिए, सब क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, आ जाएंगे नंबर।
That's such a valuable advice. Your journey is a proof that hard work, clarity, and consistency always pays off. Thank you so much for sharing your amazing journey with us. This conversation was very real. Once again, a huge congratulations on securing a spot at SPJ and wishing you all the very best as you start this exciting new chapter. Thank you so much for
ओके,
joining.